Hello everyone, this is Shreyas from WisdmLabs. Today I am going to show you how to identify the top performing courses on your e-learning platform using the Wisdom Reports for LearnDash plugin. Now, as a course entrepreneur, I am sure you must be wondering if your courses are really working well. Are they really helpful to your students? Are your students really able to make any decent progress on these courses? If these questions are on your mind, you're at the right place. Let me show you something from our Wisdom Reports dashboard that will help you answer these questions. Now, first, I can log in as both an administrator or a group leader, and I will be able to see data accordingly. Let me log in as an administrator. This is our reports dashboard. Let me scroll down to the course completion rate report. As you can see on my screen, we have a course completion rate reporting block here. Now, what exactly do I mean by course completion rate? Mathematically, it is a percentage. It is the total number of students who have completed a course upon the total number of students enrolled onto that particular course multiplied by 100 to make it a percentage. Now, how does this info actually help you? Basically, course completion rate tells you if your students are completing your courses or not. If a particular course has really great course completion rates, it means that your students are enthusiastically going through the course material, completing all the assignments in that course, and successfully passing all the quizzes in that course. On the other hand, if you find that the course completion rate is low for some other courses, it tells you that you should probably give more time on the course material inside those courses. This report tells you in a snapshot which courses you should be focusing on and trying to get more students to complete them. On this report, we have also shown an average course completion rate percentage. Now, what is this? This is simply the average of all percentage completion rates of these individual courses. On top of all of this, you also get the option to download all of this data into a CSV format so that you can analyze that data further. You can also share this report with other stakeholders like other instructors, administrators by sharing this in a SVG or a PNG format. Overall, this is how the Wisdom Course Completion Report helps you identify the top performing courses and at the same time points you to other courses where the percentage completion rate might not be good. That's all we have in this video. Hope you found it useful and do check out the Wisdom Reports plugin on our website. If you have any questions, let us know in the comment section below or do raise a support ticket via our website. Thank you everyone. I hope you have a great day.